So this is the application running in the console with the help of MySQL. So if you want to add inventory item, so it will mention it description like it's apple, how many quantities we have, and we mention the location for this. Accordingly, it will add the item in the database. If you want to display the inventory items, so we'll go to this. So these are the items which is already in the database with the different IDs, description, quantity, and locations. If you want to update the item, we can update based on the IDs. So we can write is, if you want to update the ID 1, we can name it something as, let's say, wall with 15, and updating the location is Z. Now if we check, want to display, so the volume has been updated with this ID and this location. And if you want to remove any item, we will mention its ID. Suppose let's want to remove, so we used if you want to remove, so we have to just mention the ID. Accordingly, it will remove the item from the database as in inventory table. And if you want to check whether it's removed or not, so the 12th ID has been removed from the database. Next, we want to create the order, so we'll write the customer ID. So if customer IDs doesn't exist, so it will show this error. And again, if we want to create the order for any customer, we'll search for ID. The customer ID still didn't exist, so we'll check if another ID is being there in the database. C001, we can use this one. C001. So order is created for this customer ID. Now if you want to add shipment, so we enter the order ID, let's say 1. We'll enter its carrier number as something like this, tracking number 2. So the shipment is also added in the database. If you want to update the status for any shipment or the order, then we can update it by its order ID, like it's 1. So let's make the status as pending. Now if you want to display what we have done based on the status, we can check it, show that's carrier, the status as pending, or based on that. It update the status. Next, we have used to display all the customers within the database. Show